today we are up in Barkley Sound. We're gonna do a run up to Lucky Creek Hot Springs. We have our new 2025 Stryker Pro 380 with a 20 MLH. So that's a non-electric start version. That's typically the one I use up here. The MLH is a little bit lighter. We tow this boat around quite a bit, so it's just less overall stress on everything. So to tow this, what I do is I have a 3-point bridle harness and I just use a tow rope system. This works incredibly well, and yeah, we've been doing this for a few years and it's a great system. So guys, follow us along on our Lucky Creek Waterfalls adventure.